Alin? Ito?
Ilaw na.
Ayun nga. Aris. Pagsalita mo. Say something.
They told me a while ago that they could hardly understand me, and I was just wondering why they cannot understand me. She's the only person that told me that she cannot understand me, and I was just wondering really why. I know for sure that I'm good, and I don't fucking care if she cannot understand me. That's her prerogative. It's not my problem anymore. Thank you. Ito, totoo itsura ko dahil. Masyado naman ako kahit pa paano. Ngumiti ka bakla at nung makita ang ipin. Ako, ano kayo? Those are the people who actually failed here in Taka Performance Philippines. Thank you. And how about you? Kagatin mo nga yung ilong niya. Ay, yun sa yayo. Welcome, Philippines. Thank you. Lagay mo sa, ay, i-download mo sa YouTube.
May account ako sa YouTube.
Sa YouTube.
May account ako sa YouTube.
Sa YouTube. Check nyo nga pala pag